This is the continuation of our discussion on the verb to beg in Tagalog. Kumusta po kayo? Welcome back. Let's continue our journey in learning a beautiful language, Tagalog, the language of the Philippines. This is the fifth and last video on our discussion on the Tagalog root word usap. We have learned in the last 4 videos that when combined with affixes, the root word usap creates new words like usapan, agreement, usapin, issue or topic, PAG-UUSAP, discussion or conversation, PAKI-USAP, request or plea. We also discussed in the last 4 videos the infinitive verbs MAG-USAP, to talk to each other or to converse with each other, KUMAUSAP, to speak with or to talk to an unspecified person, MAGKAUSAP, to be talking to or to be speaking with someone, KAUSAPIN, to talk to or to converse with a specific person, PAG-USAPAN, to talk about something, and we have begun discussing the verb MAGKIUSAP and PAKI-USAPAN, to request a favor, to plead, or to beg. If you have missed those videos, go check them out. The links are in the description box below. In this video, we will continue our discussion on the verb MAGKIUSAP and PAKI-USAPAN, focusing on their conjugation in the past, present, and future action. This is done with aspects and not tenses. So, tara, simulan na natin. But before that, please make sure that you are subscribed to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button and the bell notification button so you'd be updated of new videos. Moving on. You can see from the verb table the prefixes change depending on how they are conjugated in the completed, progressive, contemplative, and recently complete aspects. The affixes are represented by the yellow letters. The white letters, on the other hand, represents the reduplicated key syllables of the affixes. Let's begin with the progressive aspect or nagaganap. This is when the action is currently happening. I will present both verbs in tandem so you get a sense of their differences and similarities. Here are some examples. Nakikiusap ako sa iyo. I am pleading with you, or I am begging you. Because this is an actor-focused verb, the emphasis is on the subject ako, I, who is pleading or begging, and no one else. Pinakikiusapan ko ikaw. I am pleading with you, or I am begging you. As an object-focused verb, the emphasis is on the object of the sentence. Ikaw, you, who is the receiver of the action. Nakikiusap kami sa inyo. We are pleading with you, or we are begging you. Pinakikiusapan namin kayo. We are pleading with you. We are begging you. Nakikiusap siya sa kanila. He or she is pleading with them. Or he or she is begging them. Pinakikiusapan niya sila. He or she is pleading with them. He or she is begging them. Nakikiusap sila kay Ariana. They are pleading with Ariana. Or they are begging Ariana. Pinakikiusapan nila si Ariana. They are pleading with Ariana. They are begging Ariana. Nakikiusap si Marie sa akin. Marie is pleading with me. Marie is begging me. Pinakikiusapan ni Marie ako. Marie is pleading with me. Marie is begging me. Ayos ba? So far, so good? Now, let's try the completed aspect or naganap. This is when the action has been completed. Here goes. Nakiusap ako sa iyo, pero hindi mo ako pinagbigyan. I pleaded with you, but you did not accommodate me. It is ako, I, who pleaded and no one else. Pinakiusapan ko ikaw, pero hindi mo ako pinagbigyan. I pleaded with you, but you did not accommodate me. It is ikaw, you, whom I pleaded with and no one else. Nakiusap kami sa kanila, pero walang nangyari. We pleaded with them, but nothing happened. Pinakiusapan namin sila, pero walang nangyari. We pleaded with them, but nothing happened. Nakiusap siya kay Tess na bumalik. They pleaded with Tess to come back. Pinakiusapan niya si Tess na bumalik. They pleaded with Tess to come back. Nakiusap sila sa amin, pero wala na kaming magagawa pa. They pleaded with us, but there was nothing else we could do. Pinakiusapan nila kami, pero wala na kaming magagawa pa. They pleaded with us, but there was nothing else we could do. Nakiusap si Ed sa akin. Ed pleaded with me, or Ed begged me. Pinakiusapan ni Ed ako. Ed pleaded with me, or Ed begged me. Ayos ba? Sana ay hindi kayo nalilito. I hope you're not confused. Let's have some more examples. This time, let's do the contemplative aspect or magaganap. This is when the action is about to occur. Makikiusap ako. I will make a plea, or I will beg. It is ako or I who will make the plea or who will beg and no one else. Papakiusapan ko. I will make a plea with someone or I will beg to someone. It is the object which in this sentence is missing but is known to both the speaker and the listener that the speaker will plead with or beg to. Makikiusap ako na itaas ang sweldo ko. I will make a plea to increase my salary. Papakiusapan ko na itaas ang sweldo ko. I will make a plea to increase my salary. Makikiusap siya sa nanay niya na payagan siyang mag-party. He or she will beg his or her mom to let him or her party. Papakiusapan niya ang nanay niya na payagan siyang mag-party. He or she will beg his or her mom to let him or her party. Makikiusap kami sa gobyerno na huwag itaas ang buwis. We will plead with the government to not increase taxes. Papakiusapan namin ang gobyerno na huwag itaas ang buwis. We will plead with the government to not increase taxes. Makikiusap si June kay Ed na pautangin siya. June will request Ed to lend him money. Papakiusapan ni June si Ed na pautangin siya. June will request Ed to lend him money. If you're liking this video so far, please hit the like button. That will help YouTube recommend this video or this channel to more people, thus helping this channel grow. Alright? Now, on to our last aspect, the recently complete aspect or katatapos. It's when the action has just occurred some short time ago. The recently complete aspect of both the infinitive verbs MAGKAUSAP and PAKI-USAPAN is kapapaki-usap. Add the adverb lang and you will have kapapaki-usap lang or have just pleaded or have just begged. Here are some examples. Kapapakiusap ko lang sa iyo. I have just pleaded with you. Kapapakiusap ko lang kay Marie. I have just pleaded with Marie. Kapapakiusap mo lang sa nanay mo. You have just pleaded with your mom. Remember, the adverb lang is placed after the pronoun if the pronoun is in the first person or second person singular. For other pronouns, it is the reverse. Like, kapapakiusap lang namin sa teacher namin. We have just pleaded with our teacher. Kapapakiusap lang niya sa mga magulang niya. He or she has just pleaded with his or her parents. Kapapakiusap lang nila na papasukin sila. They have just pleaded for them to be let in. Kapapakiusap lang nina Ed at June na bigyan sila ng pamasahe. Ed and June have just begged that they be given transportation money. There you have it. We have just completed our discussion on the root word usap and the various verbs you can create from it. I hope this series is helping you in your journey in learning Tagalog and also encourage you to practice speaking in Tagalog with your Filipino friends, family members, or partners. They would be more than happy to help you. And if you're doing online courses or more formal Tagalog classes, then I'd encourage you to continue with what you're doing. I will see you next time. Maraming salamat po at hanggang sa susunod.